Welcome back. Today we check out the OPPO Find X9 Pro's Hasselblad Teleconverter. Now this teleconverter has a 10 times optical power. Basically, it's a 3.28 optical teleconverter that transforms the 200 megapixel camera into a true 230mm lens. Now let's take a look at how we can fix it to the OPPO Find X9 Pro and take distant photos and videos. So did you plug this in here?
Just put it in.
Okay. No screw needed, right?
Just go in there, just click, got one click sound.
There's a catch or something, right?
Yeah. Just this and
There's a click sound, right?
yeah, here click sound and this one press and off
Oh, okay.
like this. So that's the one photo.
So you need to...
I'll have to go to the mall and then the telescope.
Okay.
You can zoom.
The slide is on top.
Yeah, there's got one button can press. The one here also can like this. Can zoom to this one too.
Oh, okay.
This one.
Can we try? And
The rest is
try to zoom further in.
zoom.
The structure.
Yes.
Yeah, the wording. It's optical zoom, right?
Yeah.
Optical plus digital. You try the...
This one?
Just on the red color thing. Yeah,
This one.
a bit shaky.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. Fantastic.
This one. Can saw 20, 200, 200.
200 100. But how about video?
Yeah, this one but only up to 50 only.
Oh, let's try something. Let's try to take video.
Very shaky.
But once you move your hands, a bit shaky. Not too bad. Consider good already. Quality.
It's like normal video cannot take like as clear as this one.
Yeah. Look. Okay, let's take a look at the side. Just look like that. Okay. So will you actually get this telephoto converter just for your OPPO Find X9 Pro? I will agree that this is very innovative and it actually can take good zoom-in photos and videos, provided you have steady hands. Otherwise, you might want to actually mount it on a tripod before you zoom in. This particular attachment is best used for the nature lovers who likes to shoot wild birds, flowers, and so on and so forth. Seriously, if I attend a concert, I'll be probably looking at the big screen rather than to use a telephoto lens to actually zoom in and take photos and videos at the same time. So what do you think of this OPPO Find X9 Pro with its attachment? You can post the comments as a reply to this video. Before you leave, remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. This helps us to grow. And I'll see you in the next video.